are Draftboard AI. We are an AI-assisted manpower allocation tool that optimizes the right workforce, the right worker on the right project. Here's the issue. Most staffing still runs on spreadsheet and memory, or they run on dashboard, and they only look at two factors. They only look at how available their employees are and the skills they have. This causes multiple problems where the manager might just assign tasks to top performers consistently, or there might be either talent. Someone might have design skills, marketing skills, communication skills, but they only get remembered for their development skills, or poor fit. Some some workers might not work well with each other, dropping the efficiency of the team slightly. And sometimes decisions made during these tools they can't be explained or reported. So the biasness might appear during these calls. So Ate solved this by considering not only skill and time availability of the employee, but also on how well they work with each other, their workload capacity for the past week. So how it works. First, we capture the brief. You have to upload the hours needed, the skills, urgency, and work style of the project. AI will filter it based on availability, rank the employees in their departments. For example, in this project, a design and management and developer are needed. In each three department, AI will rank them, and explanation on why these employees are ranked the way they are for this project so that it's easier to make decision. All you have to do is just click whether you accept or want to change it, and if you were to override it, the choice have to be logged by a short paragraph of explanation so that AI can learn on this decision, and also leadership upper management can be reviewed when needed. So here's the scoring engine we use for ranking in task allocation. We focus on skill match, capacity health, how heavily loaded an employee is during this duration, work style fit, and also workload spread, how well they work with each other. And here's a top-down architecture. First, we have the manager or leadership. They upload the requirements. The AI browsers it, uses the web and API to look at the database of the employee based on their past projects, collaborations, their skill, their time availability, passes through our scoring engine. LLM will explain on why this ranking it is. It gives out report, it gives out all the metrics. This is the tech stack we use. Next, we'll move on to the demo. So this is the demo. It starts with all you have to do is just type your project goal, the timeline, as well as the skill needed, or you can just upload the entire project brief here. But for this case, when you type on like launch a mobile payment app on a type timeline, and when keywords like design are detected, focus on UI design. The target skill vector, which is our AI measuring score, will focus on these things. But for this project, we'll focus on the tech and management side. You can adjust the team allocation here. For this project, we'll focus on this amount of people for team size. And there will be a network graph to show you the optimized employees across all your workforce. And these are the explanations on why these four members are chosen. The operations, we chose Maya, and the engineering. In the dashboard, you can see that metrics on manpower waste, how much employees are idle, how much burnout they are. For example, these employees are heavily loaded and management can check on them whether they can cope or need help to finish the project. In the suspect board, there will be summary of the organization, such as all projects are routed through Maya in this case, and the single point of failure will be Daniel Farrell, where he's the only bridge between sales and engineering. It's a simple summary of everything. And in the draft lab, you can see all the current running projects as well as the recommended draft by AI. Next, in the insights, you can see that after you run the draft, the idle capacity drops, the burnout flag drops, burnout flag remains, but single point of failure, everything is shown to you.